Welcome. This is how to turn off check-in on your iPhone. So guys, to do this, first, just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your phone. Now, over here, just simply scroll down until you find over here privacy and security. Now, here on the privacy and security tab, just simply scroll down, guys, and you should be able to see here safety check. So go ahead and tap on that and you will have an option over here, emergency reset. And from here, just simply provide your passcode or verify that it is you. Now, once you have done that, you could just simply select start emergency reset. And now, once you have do that, you could just simply go ahead and go to your messages application. And guys, when you have a check-in turned on, you should be able to see here the plus icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. And from here, you should be able to select check in and you should be able to turn it off. And since I don't have the check in option, it means that I don't have the check in right now. So I won't be able to show you. But if you do, you should be able to turn it off right here and just simply confirm it. There you go. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.